Okay. The replace function, first of all, remember that the replace function will return a string after modification. The replace function will replace all the given characters with another character. It can also replace a string with a string. That means a replace function will replace a character with any other character or a string with any other string. For example, if my string is the good book and if I am writing str dot replace o comma z, now in the string wherever you will find o will be replaced by z and will be stored into a new string ns, because here I am using a separate string ns and it will not modify str itself. Just go through it. Why I am not using str itself? Because if I write str, the str string will be modified. So I do not want to get this string modify itself, but it will remain the same, and the new string, the modified string, will be stored into a new string ns. So what will be the value of ns in this case? Wherever there is o throughout the string, wherever there is will be o, they will be replaced by z. So they can the value of ns will become the gzzd bzzk. Is this clear? O has been replaced by z at all places. जहां पर भी उसको मिलेगा सब जगह o replace हो जाएंगे z से. So character has been replaced by a character. In the same way, you can replace a string with a string. So here I am replacing a string go with entity. So you will find go at only one position, that is go here, and this will be replaced by entity. So the new string will become the entity od book. तो entity कहां से आ गया? ये जो go लिखा हुआ है इसकी जगह रिप्लेस हो गया. od तो रहेगा, go रिप्लेस होके entity हो गया. I think this is very much clear to you. Now, as I said that it will remain, it will replace a character with a character and a string with a string. That means you cannot replace a character with a string or a string with a character. So what if I want to replace a character with a string? ये कैसे होगा कि character को ही हमें replace करना है? So what I will do, I will write down a character but in double quotes. That means I am just converting the character into a string and then using it. So B is been replaced by tap. So wherever you will find a character B, it will be replaced by the word tap or the string tap. So now the string will become the good tap. So in this, I'm removing this part. I'm assuming that the string is the good book only. Okay. So B has been, you can just see that it has been replaced by the word tap. जहाँ पर B था वहाँ पर tap होगा. अगर कहीं और भी B होता तो वहाँ पर भी वो tap हो जाता. Because it will replace at all positions wherever it will find B. I hope I am very much clear about the replace function now.
Yes, sir.
If you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay. Moving on, we have two more functions. One is to uppercase and another is to lowercase. To uppercase, as you can read the name of the function, it will convert all the characters of the string into uppercase. If any character is already in uppercase, then it will make no difference, but it will just convert the lowercase to uppercase. So if the string is, the box is big, in mixed case you can see, and I'm storing the modified value into ns. So now ns will become, the box is big in capital letters and the value of str will remain same because I'm not modifying str, and to uppercase will change all the characters to uppercase. In the same way, to lowercase function will change all the characters to lowercase. Now in this case you can see that I am storing the modified string back again to str. So now my str will change, my original string will change and the characters will be in lowercase. I hope this is clear to you. When you are using a separate string, or whenever you are using the same string, if you are using the same string again, that string will get modified, otherwise not. Two uppercase, two lowercase is clear to you? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. There are certain functions that return a Boolean value. Now, uh, in such functions, we have, first of all, we have a function equals. You can see the equals function. And we have one more function known as equals ignore case. So what will happen when we use equals, and what will happen when we use equal ignore case? Okay, if we are using equals, then this function will compare two strings for equality. If both the strings are same, it will return true, otherwise it will return false. And whenever we use equal ignore case, again the same thing will happen. It will compare two strings for equality, but this time it will ignore the cases. अगर upper case lower case होगा तो वो ignore करेगा उसको, and then it will compare the two strings and will return true or false. Now, for example, suppose we have two strings S1 and S2. S1 is cat in lowercase, S2 is again cat in uppercase. Equals will give you false because both of them are not same. ये lower case में है और ये upper case में, so it will give you false. But if you are using equal ignore case, it will ignore the cases and it will give you true, because you can read them as cat in both the cases, ignoring the cases. Okay. In the next example, if we have cat in lowercase, dog in lowercase, now you can see both are in lowercase, but equals, if we compare them, they are not same because they are different. You can read them differently. Cat hai, ye dog hai. So it will give you false, and this will also give you false. Equal ignore case bhi karenge tab bhi cat or dog hai, different hai. And in the third case, cat and cat both are same for equal also, and both of them are same for equal ignore case also. So in both the cases you will get true. Is this clear? Difference between equals and ignore case is clear to you? Now let us
Yes,
see what is the
sir.
difference between a compare to function and an equals function. Previously I taught you the compare to function. So who will tell me the difference between the compare to function and equal function? कोई एक difference बताइए. Compare to के बारे में बताइए और equals के बारे में बताइए. कोई बता पाएगा? Anyone? First difference. Returns a integer value. ये clear है? Do you remember now? Compare to returns an integer value. Compared to function returns either a 0 or a value greater than 0 or less than 0. And
Yes, sir.
equals returns, ये क्या return करता है?
So Boolean value.
Yes, a Boolean value. एक और difference बता दीजिए चलिए. Anyone who can give me one more difference about compared to and equals? We can check for greater and smaller lexicographically, but in the case of equals, only checks for equality and nothing else. केवल चेक करेगा इक्वालिटी के लिए और किसी के लिए भी चेक नहीं कर पाएगा. checks for equality only. तो ये दो डिफरेंस आप ध्यान रखिएगा compared to more equals में, and the difference between equals and equals ignore case.